Hello dear students, today we are going to start Maths Part 2, Chapter 1, Complex Numbers, Exercise 1.2. Now see question 4. Solve the following quadratic equations. See first one, x square minus 2 plus I into x minus 1 minus 7i equals 0. So this quadratic equation contains I term twice in the middle term and last term. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 1 because ax square equal to 1x square. So a is 1 and bx equal to minus 2 plus I into x. Therefore b equals minus 2 plus I and c equals minus of 1 minus 7i. Using quadratic equation formula, we get x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So substituting the values of a, b and c, so we get x equals minus of minus 2 plus I plus minus square root of minus of 2 plus I whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus of 1 minus 7i upon 2a, that is 2 into 1, because value of a is 1. Now simplify, we get, so minus of minus plus, so we get x equals plus 2 plus I plus minus square root of, taking whole square of 2 plus I because minus into minus plus. So we get 4 plus 4i plus I square, and here minus 4 into 1 into minus of 1 minus 7i. So first we check here minus 4 into this negative sign, that is plus 4, and multiplying by plus 4 in the bracket, we get 4 minus 28i upon 2. Therefore x equals 2 plus I plus minus square root of, here 4 plus 4 becomes 8 and 4i minus 28i becomes minus 24i, and I square is minus 1, taking here upon 2. Therefore x equals 2 plus I plus minus square root of 7 minus 24i, here it is subtracted 8 minus 1, get 7 minus 24i upon 2, and let it be equation first. Now we need to find square root of 7 minus 24i, and for the value of square root of 7 minus 24i, using previous exercise method, means exercise 1.1. So you can refer for the square root of 7 minus 24i square root method in the previous videos, or you should check seriously this solution. Let square root of 7 minus 24i equals a plus ib. ab belongs to r. On squaring both sides, we get 7 minus 24i equals a square plus 2abi plus I square b square. Since I square is minus 1, so we get here a square minus b square plus 2abi. Now comparing real and imaginary parts on both sides, we get a square minus b square will be 7 and 2abi equal to minus 24i, but I get cancelled. So we get 2ab equal to minus 24. So we should write here a square minus b square equals 7. And let it be equation 2, and 2ab equals minus 24. Therefore b equals minus 12 upon a, dividing by 2. And let it be equation number 3rd. Now we need to find the values of a and b to solve equations 2 and 3. So solving equation 2 and 3, we get, so from 2 and 3 we get a square minus 12 upon a whole square equal to 7. Therefore a square minus 144 upon a square equals 7. Let a square be m. Therefore this equation can be written as m minus 144 upon m equals 7. Therefore m square minus 144 equal to 7m, multiplying throughout by m in this equation. Now this equation can be rearranged as m square minus 7m minus 144 equal to 0. Splitting the middle term, we get m square minus 16m plus 9m minus 144 equal to 0. Therefore, m into m minus 16 plus 9 into m minus 16 equals 0. Therefore, m minus 16 into m plus 9 equals 0. Therefore, m equal to 16 or m equal to minus 9. As a belongs to R, therefore, a square is not equal to minus 9. Therefore, a square equal to 16, and taking square root on both sides, we get a equal to plus minus 4. So, a square minus 9 will be cancelled because of a belongs to R, because it is an imaginary value. So, a becomes plus 4 or minus 4. So, substituting a equal to plus 4 and minus 4 in equation 3, we get. So, from 3, b equals minus 12 upon plus minus 4. Here minus upon plus becomes minus, and minus upon minus becomes plus. So, b equals minus plus 3. So we get a equal to plus minus 4 and b equals minus plus 3. Therefore, square root of 7 minus 24i equals plus minus 4 minus 3i. Now from equation first, x equals 2 plus I plus minus 4 minus 3i upon 2. Therefore, x equals 2 plus I plus 4 minus 3i upon 2, and x equals 2 plus I minus 4 plus 3i upon 2. Simplifying, we get here 2 plus 4 becomes 6. So 6 minus 2i, here it is 6 minus 2i, because I minus 3i becomes minus 2i. So 6 minus 2i upon 2. Taking 2 common from the numerator, so 2 going by 2, we get 3 minus I. So x equals 3 minus I, and for the second value, here 2 minus 4 becomes minus 2. Here I plus 3i becomes plus 4i. So minus 2 plus 4i upon 2. Taking 2 common in the numerator, we get minus 1 plus 2i. Therefore, x equals minus 1 plus 2i. Therefore, two solutions of this quadratic equation, x equal to 3 minus I and x equals minus 1 plus 2i. Now see question number 2. Since x square minus 3 root 2 plus 2i into x plus 6 root 2i equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a equals 1 and b equals this bracket with negative sign. So, minus of 3 root 2 plus 2i and c equal to 6 root 2i. These are very interesting quadratic equation which contain item which value is under root minus 1, but they gives a solution, they gives factorization. This is the reason they are very interesting quadratic equation. So using formula here, since x equals minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substituting the values of a, b and c. Therefore, x equals minus of minus 3 root 2 plus 2i plus minus square root of minus of 3 root 2 plus 2i whole square minus 4 into 1 into 6 root 2i. You should take one more bracket here upon 2 into a. Therefore, x equals 3 root 2 plus 2i, because minus of minus plus, plus minus, here minus whole square is plus sign, and 3 root 2 plus 2i whole square becomes 18 plus 12 root 2i plus 4i square. And this one minus 4 into 1 into 6 root 2i becomes minus 24 root 2i upon 2. So simplifying this part, we get, so x equals 3 root 2 plus 2i plus minus, now see this 18 as it is, plus 12 root 2i, and here minus 24 root 2i becomes minus 12 root 2i, and I square is minus 1, so plus 4 into minus 1 becomes minus 4 upon 2. Therefore, x equals 3 root 2 plus 2i as it is from here, plus minus 18 minus 4, 14 minus 12 root 2i upon 2, where I equal to under root minus 1. Let square root of 14 minus 12 root 2i equals a plus ib, ab belongs to R, because we need to find the value of square root of 14 minus 12 root 2i. After getting this value, we should resubstitute here and we get values of x in terms of I or without I. तो चलो चेक करके देख लेते हैं कि स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स वी गेट 14 minus 12 root 2i equals a square plus 2abi plus I square b square, but I square equal to minus 1, so we get 14 minus 12 root 2i equals a square minus b square plus 2abi. Comparing real and imaginary parts on both sides, we get a square minus b square equal to 14, equation first, and 2ab equals minus 12 root 2. Therefore, b equals minus 6 root 2 upon a, and let it be equation second. Now we need to solve equation first and second to find the values of a and b. And one more thing, these values of a, b, c for the quadratic equation, these values a, b and c. So ये values और अभी जो हमने values यहाँ पर assume किया हुआ है a, b, they are not related to each other. If anyone has doubt, so you can take here alpha plus I beta. Alpha beta belongs to R. Instead of a and b, you can take any other variable. अगर कोई confusion हो तो otherwise it's okay. No need to change the variable. Now solving 1 and 2, we get a square minus 6 root 2 upon a whole square equals 14. So we should write here from 1 and 2, a square minus 6 root 2 upon a whole square equal to 14. Therefore, a square as it is 6 root 2 whole square is 36 into 2 becomes 72, and square of a square equal to 14. Now we put a square equal to m. Therefore, this equation can be written as m minus 72 upon m equals 14. Multiplying throughout by m, we get m square minus 72 equal to 14m. Therefore, m square minus 14m minus 72 equal to 0, means taking all terms in the left hand side. Now splitting the middle term, so factorize minus 72 whose difference is minus 14. So minus 18 and plus 4 are factors. So we get m square minus 18m plus 4m minus 72 equal to 0. Taking m common in the first two terms, we get m into m minus 18, and here plus 4 common, m minus 18 equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 18 into m plus 4 equal to 0. So we get two factors in terms of m. So m equal to, if m minus 18 equal to 0, so m equal to 18. If m plus 4 equal to 0, then m equal to minus 4. Therefore, a square equal to 18 and a square equal to minus 4, because m equal to a square here. Taking square root on both sides, we get a equal to plus minus 3 root 2, because 18 has a factor 9 into 2. So taking square root, we get a equal to plus minus 3 root 2. As a belongs to R, so a square is not equal to minus 4, because it is an imaginary. So we should take only a equal to plus minus 3 root 2. So substituting a equal to plus minus 3 root 2 in equation 2 to find the value of b. Therefore, b equals minus 6 root 2 upon plus minus 3 root 2. So root 2 going by root 2, and here 3 2 is 6. Therefore, b equals minus plus 2. So a equal to plus minus 3 root 2 and b equals minus plus root 2, minus plus 2. Therefore, square root of this term, square root of this one, 14 minus 12 root 2i. So square root of 14 minus 12 root 2i equals 3 root 2 minus 2i. So therefore x equals 3 root 2 plus 2i plus minus 3 root 2 minus 2i entire upon 2. This is value of square root part. So x equals 3 root 2 plus 2i plus 3 root 2 minus 2i upon 2, taking positive value. And if we take negative value, so we get another value of x, which is x equal to 3 root 2 plus 2i minus 3 root 2 plus 2i upon 2. So this side minus plus 2i and minus 2i get cancelled. We get x equals 6 root 2 upon 2. Therefore, x equals 3 root 2. And another value here, 3 root 2 and minus 3 root 2 get cancelled. Plus 2i becomes 4i upon 2. Therefore, x equals 2i. So therefore, the values of x 3 root 2 and 2i are the solutions, you can say, for the given quadratic equation. Now taking third question, x square minus 5 minus I into x plus 18 plus I equal to 0. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, therefore a equals 1, b equals minus 5 minus I, open the bracket, we get minus 5 plus I, and c equals 18 plus I. Since x equals minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, therefore x equals minus of minus 5 minus I plus minus square root of I minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 18 plus I upon 2a, that is 2 into 1. So here minus of minus becomes plus. We get 5 minus I plus minus square root of this part I square minus 10I plus 25. And here 4 minus 4 into 1 into 18 plus I, so open the bracket, we get minus 72 minus 4I upon 2. Therefore x equals 5 minus I plus minus square root of I square is minus 1 minus 10I minus 4I becomes minus 14I, and here 25 minus 72 becomes minus 47 entire upon 2. Therefore x equals 5 minus I plus minus square root of minus 48 minus 14I upon 2. Now we need to find square root of minus 48 minus 14I. So for square root, let square root of minus 48 minus 14I equals a plus ib or a plus bi, where ab belongs to R, that is real number. Squaring on both sides, we get minus 48 minus 14I equals a square plus 2abi plus b square I square. But I square is minus 1, so we get here a square minus b square plus 2abi. So minus 48 minus 14I equals a square minus b square plus 2abi. Comparing real and imaginary parts, we get a square minus b square equal to minus 48, and let it be equation first, and 2ab equal to minus 14, therefore b equals minus 7 upon a, because minus 14 upon 2a equal minus 7 upon a, and let it be equation number 2. Actually here real part is a square minus b square, which is equal to minus 48, so we should take equation first, and 2abi equal to minus 14i, I get cancelled on both sides, so we get b equals minus 7 upon a, and let it be equation number second. Now we need to find equation first and second for finding the values of a and b, and then we get square root of minus 48 minus 14i. So solving first and second, from first and second, a square minus minus 7 upon a whole square equal to minus 48. Therefore a square minus 49 upon a square equal to minus 48. Put a square equal to m, therefore m minus 49 upon m equal to minus 48. Multiplying throughout by m, we get m square plus 48m minus 49 equal to 0. Now factorize minus 49, whose difference is plus 48. So we know very well 49 and minus 1 are factors. So therefore m square plus 49m minus m minus 49 equal to 0. Taking m common, so m into m plus 49 minus 1 common, m plus 49 equals 0. Therefore m plus 49 into m minus 1 equal to 0. If m plus 49 equal to 0, then m equal to minus 49. If m minus 1 equal to 0, then m equal to 1. Resubstitute the value of m, we get a square equal to minus 49 and a square equals 1. So as a belongs to R, therefore a square is not equal to minus 49. Taking square root on both sides here, a equal to plus minus 1. From equation 2, b equals minus 7 upon plus minus 1. Therefore b equals minus plus 7. So when a is plus 1, then b is minus 7. When a is minus 1, then b is plus 7. Therefore square root of minus 48 minus 14i equals plus minus 1 minus 7i. Therefore value of x becomes 5 minus I plus minus 1 minus 7i entire upon 2. Therefore x equals 5 minus I, taking positive value, so plus 1 minus 7i upon 2, and x equals 5 minus I minus 1 plus 7i upon 2, because here minus of minus plus 7i. Therefore x equals 5 plus 1 here, 6 minus 8i upon 2, and this side 5 minus 1, that is 4, plus 7i minus I, that is 6i upon 2. Taking 2 common in the numerator, we get 3 minus 4i, and taking 2 common here in the numerator, so 2 get cancelled, 2 plus 3i. Therefore values of x 3 minus 4i and 2 plus 3i. Okay, so taking 2 common, once again taking 2 common, here we get 3 minus 4i upon 2, so 2 going by 2. Taking 2 common here, we get 2 plus 3i upon 2, that is 2 going by 2. So values of x are 3 minus 4i and 2 plus 3i. Now see next question, that is question number 4. This one is different quadratic equation because it contains I term in each parts, or you can say in this quadratic equation containing I term in each term, in each part. So your quadratic equation is 2 plus I into x square minus 5 minus I into x plus 2 into 1 minus I equals 0. Comparing quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So ax square here, it is 2 plus I into x square, so a equals 2 plus I, and bx equal to minus of 5 minus I into x, therefore b equals minus of 5 minus I, and c equals plus 2 into 1 minus I. Using quadratic equation formula, which is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and substituting the values of a, b and c, we get x equals minus of minus 5 minus I plus minus square root of minus of 5 minus I the whole square minus 4 into 2 plus I into 2 into 1 minus I upon, or you can say entire upon, 2 into 2 plus I, 2a, but a is 2 plus I, so 2 into 2 plus I. Therefore x equals 5 minus I plus minus, now see this, square root of minus of 5 minus I whole square, so minus into minus becomes plus, so we need apply the formula a minus b whole square, so we get 25 minus 10I plus I square, and here minus 4 into 2, that is minus 8, multiplying these two brackets we get 2 minus 2I, see this, 2 into 1 2, and 2 into minus minus 2I, I into plus 1 plus I, and I into minus I, that is minus I square, entire upon 2 into 2 plus I. Therefore x equals 5 minus I plus minus 25 minus 10I plus I square here, but I square is minus 1, so we write here minus 1, and 2 into minus 8 becomes minus 16, here 2 minus 2I plus I becomes minus I only, so minus I into minus 8 plus 8I, and here I square is minus 1, so minus of minus 1 plus 1 multiplying by minus 8 becomes minus 8, entire upon 2 into 2 plus I. So we see that x equals 5 minus I as it is, plus minus square root of, see this, 25 minus 1 24, and 24 minus 16 8, 8 minus 8 becomes 0, or you can say here negative terms minus 1 minus 16 and minus 8 is 25 minus 25, so minus 25 plus 25 becomes 0, and 10I minus 8I minus 10I plus 8I becomes minus 2I, entire upon 2 into 2 plus I. So square root of 0 minus 2I, that is minus 2I only. So we write here x equals 5 minus I plus minus square root of minus 2I upon 2 into 2 plus I. Now we need to find square root of minus 2I. So using the same process again, let square root of minus 2I equals a plus ib, ab belongs to R. Squaring on both sides we get minus 2I equals a square plus 2abi plus b square I square. Therefore minus 2I equals a square minus b square plus 2abi, because I square is minus 1. So minus 2I equals a square minus b square plus 2abi. Comparing real and imaginary parts on both sides we get a square minus b square is 0, because real part is 0 here. So minus 2I can be written as 0 minus 2I. So a square minus b square is 0 and let it be equation first, and 2ab equals minus 2. Therefore b equals minus 1 upon a and let it be equation number 2. Now to find the values of a and b, we need to solve equation first and second. So from 1 and 2, a square minus 1 upon a whole square equals 0. Therefore a square minus 1 upon a square equals 0. Put a square equal to m, therefore m minus 1 upon m equal to 0. So therefore m square minus 1 equals 0. Taking square root on both sides, we get m equal to plus 1 or minus 1, because m square is 1, so m equal to plus 1 or minus 1. Therefore a square is 1 or a square is minus 1, because m equal to a square. We have substituted here m equal to a square. So a square is 1 or a square is minus 1. So as a belongs to R, a square is not equal to minus 1. Therefore a equals plus 1 or minus 1, that is plus minus 1. So from equation second, b equals 1 upon a minus 1 upon a. Therefore b equals minus of 1 upon plus minus 1. Therefore b equals minus plus 1. This means when a equal to plus 1, b equal to minus 1. When a equal to minus 1, then b equal to plus 1. Therefore square root of minus 2i is plus minus 1 minus I. Therefore x equals 5 minus I plus minus 1 minus I entire upon 2 into 2 plus I. Therefore x equals 5 minus I plus 1 minus I upon 2 into 2 plus I. And x equals 5 minus I minus 1 plus I upon 2 into 2 plus I. Simplifying, 5 plus 1 becomes 6 and minus I becomes minus 2i. So 6 minus 2i upon 2 into 2 plus I. And x equals, here minus I plus I get cancelled, 5 minus 1 becomes 4 upon 2 into 2 plus I. Taking 2 common from the numerator, we get, here 2 common, we get 3 minus I, and 2 get cancelled. So x equals 3 minus I upon 2 plus I, and x equals, here 2 2s are 4, 2 upon 2 plus I. So multiplying and dividing by conjugate of denominator, that is x equal to 3 minus I into 2 minus I upon 2 plus I into 2 minus I. Conjugate of denominator means conjugate of 2 plus I is 2 minus I, 2 minus I. So multiplying by 2 minus I and dividing by 2 minus I in both the terms. So 3 minus I into 2 minus I upon 2 plus I into 2 minus I, and x equals 2 into 2 minus I upon 2 plus I into 2 minus I. So for the denominator, using a plus b into a minus b formula for both, because a plus b into a minus b becomes a square minus b square, and multiplying these two brackets in the numerator, we get x equals 3 minus I into 2 minus I upon 4 minus I square, and here 2 into 2 minus I upon 4 minus I square, this one. Therefore x equals, multiplying these two brackets, we get 6 minus 5I plus I square upon 4 minus minus 1, because I square is minus 1. Here 3 2s are 6. देखो 3 1 जा 3 into minus I minus 3I and 2 into minus I minus 2I. So minus 3I minus 2I becomes minus 5I plus I into I square. And this numerator 2 2 are 4 minus 2I upon 4 minus minus 1. Therefore x equals 6 minus 5I minus 1, because I square is minus 1 upon 4 plus 1. And x equals 4 minus 2I upon 4 plus 1, because minus minus plus. Therefore x equals 5 minus 5I, because 6 minus 1, that is 5, and minus 5I as it is. So 5 minus 5I upon 5, and x equals 4 minus 2I upon 5. Therefore x equals 5, taking 5 common in the numerator, so x equals 5 into 1 minus I upon 5, and x equals here 4 minus 2I upon 5. Here 5 going by 5. Therefore values of x are 1 minus I and 4 minus 2I upon 5. So see once again, x equals 1 minus I and 4 minus 2I entire upon 5. So these are the values of x. तो उम्मीद करता हूं कि स्टूडेंट इसको और भी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और फॉर द मोर कंफर्मेशन प्रैक्टिस मोर रिक्वायर्ड. फॉर द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस देखते रहिए हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियोस एंड फॉर द रिमेनिंग एक्सरसाइजेज एंड रिमेनिंग चैप्टर्स. अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन ऑन कर लीजिए और हमारे सभी आने वाले वीडियोस नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन टाइम मिलते रहेंगे. थैंक यू.